I don't know how long it's been, but it's nowhere near done because I can tell, like, I have a vent right here. But I can tell, like, I'm gonna let you get a close up. Sorry about my glasses, you probably see the glare, but as you all know, I am blind without them and I haven't got any contacts yet, so I'm just gonna be rocking my glasses. I look kind of provocative today, but I wanted to come on here and show you all how I put sea moss on my skin. And I have problem areas right here. It was eczema and it was really bad, and I'll insert a picture. And right here as well, as you can probably see, like, I don't have any lotion or anything up here. And I also put it on my face. But yeah, sea moss is really good for you. It's really good for your skin. It has 92 of the 102 vitamins and minerals that we need. So really good for you. And putting it on your skin, it's like a double whammy, because when you take it, it also helps you on the inside, and then put it on your skin. A lot of researchers say that it's best used topically, but either way it works. I find that when I do use it topically, my skin has a natural glow. Say for instance, the difference between the sea moss and my clay mask, Aztec clay mask that I use. The Aztec clay mask, on your face, it gets really hard, which is fine. Like I mean, that's what it's supposed to do. It's clay, so it's pulling out, all of the dirt and grime and cleaning your pores. So after, your skin feels soft and it feels tight and moisturized. But I don't know, with the sea moss, one, it is natural. I don't know if the clay is natural or not, but I'm just saying that I do know that the sea moss is natural. And go ahead and go to naturally-cy.myshopify.com and order your sea moss. But yeah, the sea moss, when I put the sea moss on my face, which you'll see in a minute, it dries. It is tight, but it's not like, you get what I'm saying? It's not like that kind of tight. It's tight. I put it on my lips as well. I put it around my chin because I have problems down here. Like, this is really my problem area. This. So I put it on my skin, and then I let it sit for 10-15 minutes. The same thing I do with my Aztec clay mask. Sometimes longer, maybe 30 minutes. Depends on what I'm doing at the time. And then I rinse it off. I go back in with my Glow Up Essentials, turmeric and tea tree oil soap, and shout out to my sister. And I moisturize. So you will see all that here today. Like I said, again, thank you for tuning in. Go ahead and hit the like, subscribe button, and go ahead and hit the notification bell. That way you'll be updated when I post new things. I'm gonna try to be more consistent now that I'm home. For my neck and my back, I've been laying down all morning and I'm taking my medicine. That's why I don't have on my neck brace and my back brace, just in case you were wondering. So right now I am not in pain. But in the same breath, I'm not lifting anything either or bending over, so I'm good to go. All right, so you guys just stay tuned. All right, so in this bowl I have my sea moss, and I just have a jar of sea moss, or a portion of sea moss that I use for my skin. So I have a portion that I put in my foods and that I eat, and then I have a portion, like you see here, that I've been using on, that I put on my skin. So I just go back in with my hands and I just add it. And I really can't see, guys, so if you see me squinting and moving closer, that's because I can't see. But I'm gonna just try to feel for my face. Sorry if I make a mess. But I'm just simply adding it on my face. like, make sure you get these cracks. And those cracks on your nose right there, those cracks don't be playing. And then I also have, like, this is my problem area here. So I get all of on my ears and everything. I get all of my neck. I don't know. There's no certain amount that I feel like you have to use for sea moss in general. Because, like, even when you eat the sea moss, it's natural and it's potent pretty much. So I feel like no matter how much you're using, you're still going to be benefited in some kind of way. Even if it's not the way that you want to be benefited in, you will still be benefited. So I have the sea moss all over my face. I put some on my lips too. But when I do that, I don't talk. So we're not going to do that today. Maybe in another video. But I just put it over my lips, you know, just so it can do the same thing it's doing to my skin. I guess that's what it does. I'm not sure. I don't know. That's just what I do. Put it on my skin now. I'm just going to put it in my problem area here. And as you can see, it doesn't really look like a problem area. That's because the method that I'm going to show you all today is what's been helping my problem area. And even before I started using the sea moss, some of the moisturizers and stuff that I'm going to put on and show you all, I would use that on my son. And I was like, man, this stuff really works. So I decided to use it on my skin to see how it works for me. And let me tell you, I see a big difference. I really got introduced to the Eucerin at work, because in the wintertime, between the hand sanitizer and the soap, my hand get really, really dry right here, and like it gets really, really brown. And with the Eucerin, this is what it is. With the Eucerin, I put it on and maybe 3 days it was gone. My skin was back to the regular normal color. It wasn't burning, like my skin was like cracked. It was burning when I would put on the hand sanitizer and the lotions, like, and it was very irritated. So thank God I don't have to do that. But I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hands and let this sit on my face for 15 minutes or so, and then I'll be back. Hey guys, so I'm back, and it's been about, I'm gonna say, a little over 20 minutes. And it's not completely all the way dry. So as you can see how it looks, it's starting to crack now. It looks like I don't even have any right here. It actually feels like I don't have any right here, but I do. So this is what it's looking like. Like I said, it's thick right here. I guess that was coming off of my eyebrow there, which is fine. And in some areas it looks like I don't have any there, but I know I do. I feel like I got myself really covered, as you all saw. And so let's look here, and we'll look on the other side. This one is a lot worse. So I'm gonna wash this off, and as I wash this off, I'm going to use my Glow Up Essentials Turmeric and tea tree oil soap made by my sister. Shout out to her. Yeah, and it's really good. This sea moss and that Eucerin is all I've been using on my face. I know I need like some witch hazel or something up there, and I kind of swear by my witch hazel, the rose water, but I don't have any. Ran out. I ain't been to Target. I've been using what I got. So this is what's been working so far. So I'm gonna continue to use it. I like this better than the last skincare routine I posted, but that's just me, and that's maybe for just right now, but we'll see. I have washed the sea moss off my face with the turmeric soap. I've washed it off my shoulders right here as well, my little creases right here. As you can see, I don't know if you can tell or not, but it feels really, really soft. Even on this side, like, it feels smoother than it felt before. My skin feels really, really soft. It feels like it's, you know, tight or whatever, but it's not like a tight. You get what I'm saying? And even when I rub it, like, it feels soft. As you can see, it has this natural glow. So now, along with my Carmex, because I washed it off, what we're gonna start with moisturizing my face first. And I'm not gonna put anything on my face but this Eucerin Cream. I already told you the story about the Eucerin. But I got too much, so I'ma just, okay. But yeah, the Eucerin, I like it. It gives you really good coverage. It's thick, as you can see, but it's not like, it doesn't go on thick, if that makes sense. It's not watery. I'm just trying to get by my ears and under my chin. It's not watery. I actually fucked that up. I wasn't supposed to do that. Normally, I will go in and add the first antibiotic ointment for scarring and pain. But let me just go ahead and do this since I've already done it. I'll just go ahead and rub this in. And basically, you know, it's just moisturizing it. You saw how it kind of looked before. You're seeing how it's looking now. I wish you all could feel it. I mean, you could if you order some sea moss from your girl from my Naturally Site website, or either through Instagram or either through Facebook. You can message me on here, just anywhere, and I'll lead you to the right place and help you as best as I can. And if I can't help you, I know some people who know some people who know some people, and they maybe can help you. So we just put on the Eucerin Cream. Now we're just gonna add a little bit, like a little bit goes a long way, of this this ointment and stuff here. And you're just gonna put it there on your problem areas. All of this was like red and it was irritated. If you would saw them, then you would understand why it was essential for me to heal this, because don't that look cute in my little thing? This thing is so old. Like, I think I got this in like the 12th grade, going to Seville. So guys, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all I have for you today. Thank you for watching and tuning in to my Sea Moss Skincare edition. I also have uploaded a video about Sea Moss itself and my company itself. I have plans to do videos about business also. Basically, my channel has gone from 3 things to just everything I feel like filming, and that's okay. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you all enjoyed my video. See you next time.